day one of my vlog in Devon. So today is Saturday.
I woke up this morning. She woke up this morning, guys.
What time did you wake up this morning? What time did you wake up this morning?
That's not fun. 7:30 and 8.
I just stopped caring. Now we're gonna have coffee.
Ace. Wait, well, you get me on the sun side, so you can get off my skin. It's all for the same price.
Yes. Eggs. So we went out for bottomless brunch with oh my goodness. Oh wow. I don't know. What did you get? We're gonna have to sit in the naughty club. We got the campfire cocktail. Oh, it's warm. Oh my gosh, this is hot. Alec, what did you get? What did you get? Oh, good morning. It's Mother's Day and I'm gonna go into town to get some chocolates because I really want to get my mum some coffee chocolates, but I haven't got her any yet. Oops. We got home at, I literally got home at like 9 and stayed up for like quite a while chatting. Oh, that's nice. So today's Sunday, Mother's Day. For Mother's Day we're gonna do like a little church service, just the 4 of us in our house, and then go to the moors and have a pub lunch, go for a walk. Yeah, so that'd be nice. It's Mother's Day walk time.
It's one of them ones.
Sounds a spooky spook. Oh, he's pooing.
This is why I'm so glad my hair's like this. So, here we have a phone. Jesus demands your attention.
We've been here for 1 second and he's straight in.
We're over here. A caterpillar. In its natural habitat, we're smelling to see if any rocks will turn into frogs. It's just like an iPhone becoming an Android. Just 2 local vloggers.
Local.
It's vlogging about me.
It's looking out.
Nice sound, the water, isn't it?
Yes.
Horse.
Here.
Shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of.
Morning. It's currently 8 AM. Out with Puppy. it's Monday today and I've got a lecture at 9:30, so I wanted to get out before that. I'm gonna go grab a coffee, see where the day takes me. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Wait, let me show you.
And it's funny how no one wants to label themselves, but everyone wants to label everybody else.
Hey! Here we are at St Mary's Beach, one of my favourite beaches. I've got my arms out. Good morning. It's Tuesday and it's 9 AM. I'm meant to be leaving the house at 9:30 AM. Here it says that Aaron is to tend the lamps before the Lord from evening to morning continually. But Aaron's already doing so much. How? How does he... What was his daily routine like? How did he manage to do everything?
Good boy.
Gloves indicate we need to move that inside.
My gloves here, freezing.
So do these goosebumps. Breaking yolks in Jesus' name. This is my favourite road to walk along. Hey gang, that was so cringe. Hey vlog, we are going to the coffee shop because we have got work to do. It's April 1st, which is April Fool's Day today, so I pranked Jerry and I told him that I got a tattoo. He believed me, and then I was like, oh, can you FaceTime? He was like, yeah. And then I was like, let me show you the tattoo. He was like, okay. And got him. So, because I'm just a prankster like that.